Hi, welcome to online class tutorial. Please note, this service is designed for classrooms, not for boardrooms, made by teachers, to ensure minimal distraction in the classroom, with complete control. Let us move and learn more about it. Let us learn how to schedule the online class with SIPS Nitya. Log in to SIPS Nitya with your username and password. Choose Teachers module. Select Webcasts and Conferences. All the existing schedules are available here for review. For a new schedule, please choose to Add New button. Select the online classroom. Select academic year. Fix your schedule, start and end time. Please note, only active schedule will be available to respective students. Choose participant details. Choose students. All the active sections will be displayed for you to choose from. Choose the sections you wish to conduct the class. Select the status as active. Choose planning if you are in the planning stage. Now you can see, your schedule is listed. You have the option to notify students about the meeting over the app notification, SMS, email, etc. Please choose the Livecasts Conference button and navigate to start the online class. Choose Start Meeting and get the meeting started. This automatically takes you to the virtual classroom. Choose the microphone. You listen about you are the only person available over the conference. Also, meeting start by default with mute status. Choose microphone button to unmute. Choose phone button and change the audio devices if you want to, or facing any problems. You can find all join users over the users section. To enable your camera, please choose the camera button. A preview will be available. Adjust your environment and choose the share button. Now your video will be available to all the participants. Clicking again on the camera button stops the camera share. We also have the option to share the screen. Here we have many options. We can choose the entire screen share, or application-wise, or even a tab-wise. Also choose share sound. If you want to share your local audio, choose the desired screen and use the share button to make it available to all participants. Choosing the screen share button again or stop sharing will end the screen share function. In the users section, we have all controls to manage the participant actions like muting, unmuting. Lock viewers button helps in controlling participant controls in detail. Share webcam button decides if you permit the participant webcam share enabled or denied. By default, viewing of others' webcam to participants is denied. Only the teacher can view all students, but the student will be able to see only their camera and teacher. Changing the status here makes everyone view all shared cameras. Also, other controls like chats, both private and public chats. Private chats are disabled by default. Sharing of notes, viewing of other user list control, etc. By default, hand raising button is enabled for all students to grab the attention of the teacher. The teacher will be notified immediately, but sometimes it becomes trouble, as many students keep clicking on it, especially the younger ones. You can choose to disable the notification by selecting the settings and change the notification status. You can also do the enabling and disabling this anytime during the class. Also, there are few other settings for you to explore here. Now, let us explore the whiteboard feature available. You can simply change the slide to next and get the whiteboard. There are many whiteboard tools like writing, typing, and drawing tools available. There are many options, like a smart classboard available here. Little practice makes the teacher perfect in handling this very effectively. Designed to use from tablets, etc. Choose handwriting button to use it effectively from tablets, iPads, etc. Also, we can share the whiteboard for collaborating with students. If you enable it, they will also be able to participate. It will be very useful for the student to mark something, etc. You can choose to disable it anytime, as well enable it on the move. Choosing the delete button will clear all the contents from the board. Let us now explore the other feature. We can upload presentations, PDF documents, images, etc. After the upload finishes, it converts to the board. We can zoom, drag, etc. Also, we can have multiple files uploaded and easily switch it from one to another. Effective lesson planning can make the learning experience more attractive and very effective, almost on par with the direct class. Now, let us learn the next interesting collaboration tool. We can quickly start a poll and ask students questions. Questions can be anything. Answer options can be predefined. By choosing the Start Poll button, we'll publish the question immediately to all students. It will notify a sound and pop-up alert to students. They can easily answer, and the answer is private to the teacher. The teacher can understand the responses, evaluate answers quickly. Also, at the end of this, the teacher can publish the results on the whiteboard, which makes all students understand and know more about the results. This poll can be used very effectively and innovatively for effective interactions. The next handy feature for the teacher is the random student selection. While asking questions, the selected student immediately notified with a pop-up alert and sound. It is very simple and very effective to drag the student's attention and make the student vigilant and focused in the class than the other activities. We can also share external videos with the link to video over YouTube, Facebook kind of media sharing platforms. Maybe a reference video for the classes, etc. The teacher has complete control of this. At any point in time it can be disabled, etc. Another brilliant feature is the breakout rooms. This can be used to group students into different rooms and ask them to discuss. For example, if the teacher gives a problem which needs a group activity consists of 5 students each, then the teacher can break them into different groups and ask them to discuss for few minutes and come back. Once the class is over, please choose the end meeting. End meeting ensures all students get out of the class. You can also track the student attendance over the meeting participants section. You may also please change the flag of the meeting over the webcast conferencing section. Thank you very much for listening to me today. I hope you could understand on how to handle the online classes effectively. For more information and assistance, kindly contact our support officials.